Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to edit photos with AI background removal or your social media and you're looking out how to do so, in today's video we are going to use multiple easy to use AI tool for that. So there are a bunch of applications available for that, such as Canva, Remove.background, Photo, Pixar, etc. You can look out for the one that you're comfortable with. So let's use remove.background. It is one of the most easiest AI tool that you can use to remove the background. So you can type in remove.bc and you will be taken to this site right here. Once you open up the AI tool of your choice, you just need to look out for the option of upload image, where you can log in before doing so. Let's directly head over to this option called upload image and select it. After you select it, it will open up this file section. You can select the image that you would like to remove the background with. For example, this image right here, and click on open. And while doing so, make sure that your subject is very much clearly visible. AI works best with the clear subjects. So you may just go over and do so, and AI will remove the background instantly. You can automatically see the changes being applied right here on your screen. So you can just go over and look out for the change. So you can see the changes available here. This is without the background and this is with the background. You can look out for the clear background available here. So you can just go over and look out for it. Let me just go ahead and remove. And there we go. So this one is without the background. Now, once you're okay with it, you can just go over and adjust and enhance. You can resize and position your subject naturally and even add filters and shadows or outlines to make the subject stand out. And once it is done, you can download up your edited image in very highlighted or high resolution and complete it up. And that's it, everybody. If you'd also like to go ahead and create up an AI image, this is the method you can follow. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.